Welcome back. This is video number 4 in a series of videos about how to create an infographic in Piktochart. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do text and text boxes and how to change the font, color, and the size of your text. So once again, you got to make sure that if whatever box that you're going to want to add content to, that you click in it and it has the blue outline in it. And for text, you're going to want to click on the content box that says text. And I would highly recommend this top box probably be the title of whatever your infographic is going to be. And so obviously it's just following the directions of what it says. So it says to double click to edit, so we will double click to edit. So now that I have my title, if I click off of it, you can kind of see what it looks like. But you'll notice that we don't know where to change the fonts, we don't know where to change the color. So if you go in and you double click again, then you'll see all of these different features that has to do with text. Right here, this button means if you want to lock this box in place, if we didn't have it, you can actually move your text box and you can actually kind of turn it topsy-turvy if you wanted to by just clicking, holding, and just kind of moving it. But let's just say, because you have a lot of stuff that's going to be on your infographic and you don't want to accidentally move something, you can do what's called a lock. And that way it will lock it in place and you won't be able to move it at all. So I've locked it, and let's just say if I want to change the color, there's your color. And right here is your font type. I would highly encourage you not to pick a font that will distract and be hard to read, because you're giving information to your readers and you want to make sure that that information is gained in a way that's very easy for them. So your size, you can change the size, and I suggest making your title pretty good size. Right over here we have your text alignment, so you can make it to the left, to the middle, or to the right. If for some reason you wanted to put a link with the frogs, you could actually do that. And that's basically it for your text. Right over here on the side is just different sizes, obviously. And if you decide that you wanted to do a certain type of text box over here, you are not stuck with the font or the size that the default is. You can always change the text type, and you can always move your text box to wherever you want within your infographic. So as always, make sure that you save. In the next tutorial, I will be talking about how to upload your photos.